Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to install a plugin for optimizing our images and reducing the file size of our images. There is a plugin named WP-Smash. Okay, this is the plugin. This plugin will automatically improve the performance of your all images of your website and give you a optimized image. So you don't need to do anything, you just need to install this plugin, and the rest thing the plugin will do itself. So I'm going to install this plugin. Go to plugins, click add new, and the same thing, put your term here, search the plugin and install it. Okay, activate it. And now if you go to media, you will see that there is a new option, bulk smush it. Click on it. Now for now there is no image on our website, but as soon as we will post content, we will post some images. So for a demo, I would like you to go to the original website of this WP-Smushit. So okay, this is a website, and okay, this is the wallpaper. Right now it's activated on my desktop. If you go to the properties, you can see that the size of this wallpaper is 196 KB and it is in JPEG format. Okay, so if I upload this wallpaper to WP-Smushit, it will reduce the file size. Okay, uploader, browse, open. Okay, so the original size of this file is 197 KB. The result size is 132. So the size which is reduced is 64 KB. Now I know it's nothing, but when it comes to like 100 images, so it's a bigger amount. So it will automatically reduce the file size without losing the performance of the image. Okay. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.